Welcome to Day 5 of our Windows 10 and 11 operating system guide for 2025. Today, we'll walk you through how to use the Settings app, your main control center, to personalize, update, and secure your PC. Step 1. How to open Settings. Click on the Start menu and select the gear icon. Or, press the Windows key and the letter I together on your keyboard. This instantly opens the Settings panel. Step 2. System Settings. Click on System. Here, you can adjust your display resolution, screen brightness, sound settings, and power preferences. It's also where you manage notifications and storage. Step 3. Devices. Select devices to connect Bluetooth devices, printers, mouse, and keyboard. You can also customize how they behave. Step 4. Personalization. Go to Personalization. Change your wallpaper, theme, lock screen, and even how your taskbar and start menu look. Step 5. Apps. Under Apps, uninstall unused programs, set default apps, and manage optional features. This helps keep your PC organized. Step 6. Accounts. Click on Accounts to manage your Microsoft account, local users, and sign-in options. Step 7. Time and language. Change your system time, region, language, and keyboard layout. Step 8. Windows Update. Go to Update and Security. Click Windows Update and then check for updates. Step 9. Privacy Settings. Visit Privacy and Security to manage app access to your microphone, camera, or location. Step 10. Use the search bar. Type in keywords like wallpaper or Bluetooth to quickly find settings. That wraps up Day 5. Explore the Settings app and take control of your PC experience. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. See you tomorrow for Day 6 using the Microsoft Store and installing essential apps.